This is the disassembly and reassembly of the ASUS X555L RHI7N10. First off, you'll want to start off with these 10 screws here. Your 4 middle screws are going to be the longer ones, so you would want to remove those first. And then go ahead and flip it over. At this point, you will want to go ahead and be very careful as you pry off the keyboard. You'll hear a couple of snaps letting you know that it's coming apart. You want to be careful not to just yank up on it, because you will have 2 ribbon cables connected underneath that you will want to disconnect before taking them off. They're here and they connect here and here. After that, you will want to pry off this bottom piece here so you can take off the laptop screen shield up here. There are 2 screws with sticky plastic squares over them that you will want to remove beforehand, here and here in the lower left and right hand corners of the screen. Once those are removed, you can go ahead, pry a little corner away, and you'll hear the same pops as you did with the keyboard. You may need to maneuver just a little bit to get it to slide out of there for you. But it'll go, like so. Okay. Once you get here, there are 4 screws holding the screen in. Make sure you have the screen held when you tip it back, otherwise it will fall on the motherboard, and that is not a good thing. Go ahead and set it down gently. Carefully remove your tape, and then the connector. And then you go through and grab your new screen and hook everything back up. Okay, time for reassembly. Got your new screen. Plug your adapter back in here at the bottom. Flatten the tape back out. Take your 4 little screws. Be careful not to strip them. They should only be nice and snug, not over tightened. Once you have those in, set it back down there. Get your cover. And these will snap all the way around. Once you have that snap back into place, your bottom cover piece is going to have a line across the back. You need to make sure that faces towards the bottom. And once that is complete, that will snap into place as well. Don't forget to put your screws in here. After that is up, make sure to plug in your connectors here. Snap these all the way down and around. And then reinstall your screws. Your 4 longer screws, you'll see the difference between them when you take them out. Your 4 longer screws are going to go in here, 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 and here. Your shorter screws are on your corners, and the middle one's right here. These screws are what fastens your keyboard down. Once you got that, you are good to power back on, plug in your power, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching.